I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can restore your purchases on Toca World. Now, from the home screen here, you want to click on this green icon here to go to the shop. Now, once on the green shop, let's just wait for it to load, and let's just wait for it to load in all of the assets. Now, from here, do note that it'll only appear if you have made a purchase, right? So the way we can restore the purchases is that you'll have to scroll all the way down, find it. Now, once on the way down, you can see on my phone, unfortunately, there's no restore purchase option, but I'm going to show on the screen right now what it should look like if you do have the button. Now, if you have that button, it'll be all the way down here, and all you have to do is to tap on that button to restore all of your purchases that you might have made before to your new devices. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.